If you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, but confused in finding niche, so stick to the end, this video is for you. This channel has just uploaded 118 videos and gained 1.37 M subscriber, and it also made over $60,000 in the last 6 months. The good news is these videos are easily made with AI. In this full guide, I will show you how you can make your YouTube channel with hardly some knowledge. When it comes to using AI for YouTube automation, there is a lot of misinformation available. The majority of it is ineffective. However, if you follow my instructions and use the tools I'm about to explain, you can quickly expand your channel and start making money off of your videos. But before, let's see on Social Blade if this kind of channels are monetized or not, so answer is yes. So are you ready to learn something new today? The travel niche's CPM is about $4, meaning that for every 1,000 views, this channel will earn $4 in revenue. However, audience demographics are crucial, especially for a channel like this one. For example, if we look at this video, which has 2.5 million views and discusses the best places to visit in the USA, the majority of the viewers are probably from the US. Considering that the US has the highest CPM overall and that this video is 56 minutes long, allowing the channel to add multiple ad breaks throughout, the CPM for this video will be closer to 10, translating into so many dollars in revenue from this video alone. However, why does a video like this receive so many views? It is composed of 3 content layers: a script, a voiceover, and video footage, along with a basic thumbnail. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make a voiceover and video compilation. Fortunately, we have an AI video tool that can accomplish both tasks for you in a matter of minutes. That is InVideo.ai. The greatest thing is you'll be astounded by the quality it generates. First, you have to give it a detailed prompt, and it will generate a whole video in a matter of minutes. Signing up is free. In the description, there will be a link. Go and check out. After signing in, it will take us to this page. The second stage is to create prompt for our video. However, before we do so, we will watch our example video again to get ideas. Its title is 50 Best Places to Visit in the USA. Now that we have an idea how we will proceed, here ChatGPT comes in. Open ChatGPT and ask for it to suggest best places to visit in whole world. Press enter and watch the results. From this list of the world's top destinations, let's choose Japan, and here I want best places of Japan, so that I can enter them into my prompt for video creation. I got some 3 to 4 best places of Japan now. Let's go to InVideo for artificial intelligence generated videos. Step 3 is to generate video by giving appropriate prompt. We want to make a video on the best place to visit in Japan, so that's exactly what I'm going to tell it to do. I'll start by saying create a 5-minute video for YouTube about the best places to visit in Japan. It should be tour guide for people who want to visit Japan in near future. Also, I want to make it more interesting, so I have add Japan culture, food, marriage rituals, and death rituals. Also, I have mentioned the targeted audience who is going to watch our video. Now I have add list of 4 places of Japan that has been provided us by ChatGPT. In order to provide AI with the best possible results, we must explain every single element of our film to it. Since then, we have covered everything in detail. Next, select a male voiceover in a documentary style. You may select any voiceover according on your preferences and interests. We want to reach as many people as possible by making this appealing to those who are between 20 years to 60 years of age and older in order to obtain as many views as we can. Please use a lot of background footage at each site and edit in a professional manner. I suggest that in order for it to often switch up the footage and avoid being monotonous. Never utilize a single scene for more than 6 seconds. The entire video needs to be 5 minutes. Now click on Generate, and it has started working on our video. Let's wait for it. Now we have these 3 more questions about topics for our video. About our audience, we have 3 options here, either tourist, cultural enthusiast, and foodies. So I would go for culture enthusiast. The last topic I will choose is look and feet. This one should obviously be professional, But if you want to add something unique and thought-provoking, you can go for the inspirational here. We also have a platform where you can get your YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn accounts. Click the Continue button on YouTube. It will generate a whole video for us. Following that, work on the video began. Initially, the script was planned, then creating our script, and finally all the relevant video clips were combined to create a complete film that we could use. Let's examine the video it created for us.
Their mark as world-renowned tourist destinations. We'll journey through the electrifying metropolis of Tokyo, the temple-rich city of Kyoto, the peace symbol of Hiroshima, and the historical gem, Nara. Each offering a unique slice of Japan's rich.
That's great. If you want to add more to it or make it more engaging, just click this edit. After that, you'll get access to edit the video if you want. You can make changes in script. Even you can edit stock videos that it has added. You can edit the script, remove anything, or add more. Alternatively, if you want to replace something like this video clip, you can upload it from here from your laptop and replace it here. It will then appear in your media library. As an example, let's say I want to replace this because it keeps coming up and I don't like it. I'll come here and write down Japan and search here. You have all the stock videos from Storyblock. It will going to show you some premium and free videos. Select free one. I'll replace my video with this clip. Just click on replace, and in a matter of seconds, it will replace our clip. For downloading it, click on export, and here if you will purchase the paid plan of this, that is not too expensive. You can even remove watermark of these stock videos. Let us see that paid plans of InVideo. Here we have got two plans. One of $20 and other is $48. That is not too much. In order to receive more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below letting me know if you found this video helpful. I really hope you enjoyed it.